Hi guys, this is Lori and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's vlog, I'm going to unbox my orders from Lazada. So kung nakikita nyo guys, nag-order ako ng 4 items. So, start na natin buksan. So, gagamitin ko itong scissors. And let's open this first. Ito yung in-order ko na sleepwear. So, eto siya guys. Ang color niya is sky blue and may design siyang Mickey Mouse and Duck. Donald Duck. Ayan. So, meron din siya guys, bra cups. Ayan. Ito yan siya. So, nabili ko siya guys for only 95 baht. Tapos eto guys, meron din siyang eye cover na kasama. Para kapag natulog ka guys, pwede mo siyang gamitin. So, i-rate ko siya 1 to 10 is 8. 8/10. So, next guys na i-open natin is wireless portable electric garlic masher. O, diba? Ang haba. So, eto yan siya guys, in short. In short, garlic masher. So, in-order ko siya guys para mapabilis ang ating pag-mash ng garlic. So, yan siya. Alisin natin ang styro niya. So, ito na yung itsura niya guys. Ayan. And meron din siyang charger na kasama. And then, ito yung manual niya. So guys, ito yung product features niya. These product features in unique appearance, all body waterproof, and wireless portable design. With a double electronic induction safety switch, users can control the grinding degree of food at will by pressing the switch. With a food-grade PC blender jar and food-grade stainless steel blades, the product is easy to clean and can be sterilized at high temperature, which is healthy and clean. Detachable parts can be washed by water directly. So guys, kung i-rate ko siya 1 to 10 is 10/10. Bakit? Dahil matalim yung blade and portable siya. Pwede mo siyang dalhin kahit saan, kahit may picnic kayo, pwede mong dalhin. And yung blade niya guys is napakatalim. So, pag pinasok mo dyan yung kamay mo, char lang. So, yan guys, kung makikita nyo, napakabilis ng pag-ikot ng blade. So, this is so perfect. Yan, and then next nating i-unbox is toner cartridge. So, nag-order ako nito guys dahil ubos na yung ink ng aking printer. Okay naman siya, kaso lang nung nilagay ko yung ink na yan sa printer ko, malabo pa rin yung print niya. Ewan ko kung anong problema, kung yan ba, kulang ba yan? Pero napuno naman lahat ng ink, yung lagayan ng ink. Baka kailangan ko pang bumili ng iba't ibang color. So, eto siya guys. Ang pangalan niya is Genius Ink 790BK. And then next guys, let's move on to another item. So buksan muna natin siya using our scissors. And yan. So next na i-unbox natin guys is under eye cream. So that's it guys. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa unboxing natin. See you again on my next vlog. Bye!